We are at the zoo, Taronga Zoo, for Liv's birthday. We are staying here overnight, doing the Roar and Snore. Yeah, I don't know what to say, we haven't done much yet. We are about to have nibbles and some drinks, and I will keep you updated.
Can we actually put the extra blanket out though, because it's really cold?
Yeah. Story time. Even though wow, it's really good look. So this kid just came to our tent up when we were like zipping it up, and he was like, "Oh, did you zip it up?" And Liv was just standing there. She was like, we're number 1 and he's number 17.
He didn't say anything. I said, he was walking up to the door and goes, "Oh, I was gonna say, did you zip it up?" And I go, "This isn't your tent."
Confused but amused.
What is that? What?
I think it's fine.
Don't do that. Watch me literally scream in the middle of the night over a cockroach or something, and they come running because they're like,
Oh my god, someone's being attacked. That looks like a bald person. It's fine. I really hope I just caught that on camera. That's the Sumatran tigers.
Okay, that's all done. I just need my toothy brush.
I look like I'm getting ready to go somewhere, but I'm not.
I'm gonna take off my stars because they get tangled. But I don't know where to put them because I don't want to lose it.
What is this?
A scrunchie?
Scrunchie by Chrissy. Thanks, Chrissy. Who made this?
Chrissy?
Christine from dancing. I really want to go out and see them, we can't.
What are they doing?
I want one. It's the male that's in there. Whoa, that's really loud. In case I haven't explained this before, because I did in previous footage, but I don't know if it'll go in, the tiger enclosure is just behind this wall. So, that's the wall.
They stopped.
That's the wall. And
Aren't they that
just
way?
behind... Oh, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hi. The lighting is very bad, but it's going in anyway. Just behind there. Is
ruining my
the
vibe
tiger enclosure.
of life.
I've swum with sharks before.
Ugh, no thanks.
Pardon me. Only at SeaWorld.
Still
It
no
was
thanks.
very safe. Well,
Well,
debatable.
well,
I did it in year 12.
well.
How weird that year 12 was 3 years ago.
Okay, are you ready for teeth and pee?
Teeth and pee. Break. See you soon. I feel like we're on school camp.
Me too. I need to turn the tap on.
Oh, that's not going to work, is it? Maybe I can.
See you in the tent. Quick story time. What is this piece of hair? It's a scary man. Why do I look bald? There's a scary man who was taking a photo with the flash. I keep looking at myself, not the camera. And I
Yep. I zipped it. So no one would get in. I can't see anything else. Happy birthday.
Oh my god, I'm 20. Where did this come from?
Good morning. So we just did our makeup in a tent.
Just in the way. Sensor.
It's not. As I was saying, we just did our makeup in a tent. Which was pretty bad. But finished our teeth because we have to go.
I need some water. I forgot to add water. My outfit is definitely gonna ride up. Or down.
Now I'm going to the toilet.
Hello. Someone's 20. Yay! We have finished our like roar and snore part. So now we're just exploring the zoo for ourselves. Yep, dogs. Yeah, so we don't really know where we're going, but
We're just kind of walking.
yeah,
Yeah, like
I don't know. Stay tuned, we'll be back. So I'm very shivers.
Oh my
almost.
god.
I'm very new to this vlogging thing, so not a confident public vlogger yet.
Yes, right. We're going on the Sky Safari.
We are going to the Sky Safari,
Wait, is this it?
so we'll see you there. We are finished at the zoo.
I'm so sad. Bye, dude.
Bye. Where's the sign?